Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, nice to meet you. Yeah, this is a little virtual handshake I got going on here. I don't know, whatever. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I am revealing the two-phone, sorry I'm charging this one because it's about to die, but I'm revealing the two-phone Uber trick. If you guys don't know this trick, you have to learn it immediately. It is what I do all the time. I have two phones. It's the Uber app, the passenger app, and then the Uber driver app. You need both of them on and it will literally change the way. I mean, this is top secret stuff. I learned this from another YouTuber, I forget who it was, and then I'm also improving on that to help you guys. So before I get into the video, if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver and you like making money, which I hope you do, give the video a big thumbs up. If you want an increase in pay for Uber, give the video a big thumbs up. And then, you know, if you drive for Uber or Lyft or you're thinking about it, give the video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. It's really important that you do leave the video a thumbs up because you will get recommended when new videos about Uber and Lyft are posted on YouTube. Not even my videos, but other people too. So give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay. So you want to open up both apps and it's going to look like this, okay? The passenger app is the one that's going to help you the most. If you're driving for Uber or for Lyft, this also works on the Lyft platform, but if you do this, it's going to increase your income. Why? Because you're going to learn something that most drivers do not. I would say maybe less than 1% of drivers do this, and that's the reason why some people on Uber make a lot of money, some people don't. And that's why if you're in a Facebook group or on YouTube and you read the comment section, there's people saying, oh, you know, I drove out today for 4 hours, I only made 30 bucks. Those people are not doing this trick. If you ever see somebody post, I know a lot of drivers like to flex, which I don't recommend. I hate people who share their earnings and their screenshots and they're like, oh look, I made 2,000 bucks this week. Cool, good for you. But today I'm gonna be, I don't hate them, okay? That was a little harsh. I just don't condone that behavior because, you know, you don't go up to people who are working in a bank and say, how much money do you make? Or like, if you're thinking about being a banker or if you're going to a, I don't know, what's another good example? You don't walk into a Starbucks and ask the barista, how much money are you making? And it's not like the barista is saying, thank you for your service, I just made $1 off of you. Or in the Apple store, say you're shopping around, imagine the Apple geniuses saying, yeah, I make 100 grand a year, how are you doing today? It's like, what, bruh? Okay. But basically, I'm saying those people who do post their screenshots of them making a bunch of money and you're like, how is this even possible? They are doing the two-phone trick. So as you can see here, this is the passenger app. So first you want to log on to, I'm not going to show you my address, but you're going to want to log on to the Uber driver app, click online. That's really important that you do go online. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to get a ride request and, you know, lose my cancellation rate. And then what you want to do is you want to go into the passenger app, and as you can see here, you can see a bunch of cars, right? There's a bunch of cars. You want to zoom in and you want to position yourself where there are not a bunch of cars. As you can see here, there's a bunch of cars right here. So this is not a great area to be because all these people are going to be getting ride requests first before you. So what you want to do, like for me, I know that this area over here is a high paying area. You want to go to the high paying areas and position yourself there. See, there's no one over here. There's just people up there. So you want to go down here where there's less cars. And that way you'll get more tricks. This is not rocket science. I'm just showing you, this is how, you know, you got to learn the strategy yourself. I mean, I just told you, but put it into practice. Get a second phone. I have one phone with Sprint and I have another phone with Verizon. And, you know, yeah, I do have to pay extra per month, but it's a tax write-off. And you know, you're making extra money anyway. I mean, what, an extra 50 bucks a month? I'm making way more than that, trust me. I'll probably make more than that in one day driving. So anyways, that's literally it. That's the two-phone trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like little simple trick videos, Uber hacks if you will, and subscribe so you get more videos when I post more tricks on how to make more money and driving for Uber, Lyft. There's other ways too. I'm gonna be making a video soon showing you how to make $100,000 a year driving for Uber and Lyft. You need both apps. So if you're not signed up for both, sign up for both. That way when I do make that video, you know, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, and you can put that into practice as soon as possible. Yes, that's almost 10 grand a month. With this, I'm gonna lay it all out. You know, I'm gonna get a huge whiteboard, talk you through it. I'm gonna get down and dirty with the numbers. So if you don't like numbers, you probably won't like that video. But if you do like numbers, stay tuned for that video. So subscribe and give the this video a thumbs up, so you know when I post again. All right, guys, because that's how YouTube works now. You just gotta give the video a thumbs up, and then, you know, it's pretty much like subscribing. All right, guys, I will talk to you all shortly. Have a great day. Get out there, make some money. Stay safe, though. All right, you guys are the best. Talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.